Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Come along to show you guys what I do when I'm having one of those bad mental health days and how I try to stay optimistic. I've been breaking out literally on one side of my face. My allergies are killing me, so my dark circles are like extra dark because of my allergies. And my mental health has been very bad for the past week or so. So of course I've realized, you know what, it is time for me to get my shit together, clean my whole room, because honestly my room is a huge representation of my mental health and what's going up in my brain, because you could really see like my room starts to get really messy. Like I don't take care of myself, I don't take care of my appearance, my health, my mental, emotional health. My room gets really gross and messy, and you know, I realize I'm done. I need to straighten myself out, okay? I gotta get better. I don't really talk much about my mental health on my channel. Like I'll talk about it on and off, like little hints of it throughout my videos, but I don't really go too in depth, just because I realized that for my own mental health, it's really hard for me to watch YouTube videos about, you know, when other content creators are talking about their mental health continuously. I get it, like I think that once in a while it's okay because like I can handle it, but I realized like for my own health, like watching other content creators that continuously talk about their mental health really kind of also triggers me, if that makes sense. So that is why today I want to focus on just like healing myself and feeling better, and just like cleaning my room, and you know, just restarting. You know, like I've been watching literally Netflix for like the past 4 days in my bed, just like not doing anything, just watching Netflix, and just, you know, like not really doing anything productive, which is definitely not me. Like I love being productive all the time, but I think this is like a way of my body and my brain telling me like, girl, calm your shit down, like relax, take a nap, watch Netflix, like, you know what I mean? Like it reminds me of that TikTok, like, take a nap, you're stressing me out. I find a lot of joy in taking care of myself, my skin, my makeup, dressing up, and so I think that when I'm in the healing process, taking a couple hours just for myself without having to worry about anything is really beneficial for my health. If you love your body, if you love yourself, you should treat it well. A couple of things on the list today is, first, bed sheets. I gotta clean my bed sheets, and I also have to put away a lot of clean clothes that I just like take out of my closet to try on for my TikTok videos and stuff, as well as clean my floor because it's freaking disgusting, and also dust the room. I'm not gonna like stress myself too much besides finishing my portfolio, but yeah, let's get started. Into the place, dispatch you from a race for hurt, it started racing. Was on your face, and from the 80s. So I'm gonna play, I think, a podcast. These days I've been really enjoying listening to Manifesting Money podcast. I feel like her podcast is just so relatable, and her being a, you know, Latin content creator and seeing how she progressed, you know, I feel like there's a lot of similarities between her and I, especially with a Latin culture background. One of her episodes that I really enjoyed is called "Is Your Family Blocking Your Financial Blessings?" And I thought that was such a really good episode because she really focuses on how sometimes your family's lifestyle, especially with income, like it could really make you get stuck in this cycle of always living maybe a financial difficult lifestyle, and she really focuses on sometimes because of these lifestyles that our family has gone through for generations, kind of creates these toxic, you know, ways of talking about money, especially like being fearful about money. They will discourage like going through a non-traditional path in life. This is a good start for me to like finally go through that like recovery healing process when it comes to abundance and prosperity in my life, including money, and just like have a new mentality about everything. So yeah, I think I'm gonna listen to a new episode today, and I'm not sure which one yet, so let me check.
Within that time, I was paid $75 for helping my boyfriend's sister and a gift. Oh, I just got chills. And guess what? And the faster that we can accept this and become conscious of it, get that house. For that money to manifest. When we have car problems, we're like, oh my gosh. I am conscious of this. I started to get excited. And now
I'm gonna take a quick break from cleaning because I need to work on my portfolio and submit it before 3 o'clock. I'm gonna try. Yeah, I gotta work on this really fast because yeah, I should have done this days before, but like I said, I was going through a very depressing state and I did not want to do anything, so now I'm really behind and this portfolio is due today, so I'm gonna work on that like ASAP. In your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly. So I am done. It is almost 4 p.m. and I just finished my resume and digital portfolio. I know, I'm just so excited that I finally started. So I actually spilled some tea on this whole situation. I had an interview. It didn't go well. If you guys are interested on knowing the tea, check out my TikTok. Driving down the freeway at night, I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling. Here is my closet. As you could tell, it is very messy right here, so I need to fix that. I think my closet in general is like pretty okay. I do have to organize my shoes a little bit, but yeah, it's not too messy, but yeah, I still need to figure it out a little bit. I just finished. It looks so much more organized. I did not even touch the shoes. I'm not gonna go there today. Everything else pretty much stayed the same. Yeah, I'm pretty happy about the outcome. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing. So it has been a couple days and I'm still not done with my room. I know. I'm about like 99% done with my room. I just have to build my wall shelf. Let me know what you guys do on your like just mentally blah days, or your on your blah days, like your bad days. What do you guys do to make yourself feel better, you know? Because I get it, it's always nice to just chill in bed and not, you know, do anything. Personally, whenever I'm having a bad day, I think the combination of like cleaning my room, focusing on my hobbies, of course letting my body rest and eating that ramen and watching that Netflix show in my bed always helps me out. But of course, in my personality, I kind of just like to push myself forward. I like to not give up. I like to just keep reaching for a better life. That's also kind of what pushes me to like get out of that funk as well. It's just like building myself mentally and emotionally really helped me a lot, especially through my, you know, past experiences and my meditations and my manifestations and all of that really helped me kind of get out of those funk. I truly believe that, as you know, if you really want something in life and you really manifest for it, it's gonna happen, you know. And of course there are days where I will self-sabotage myself, or I'll feel like I'm not enough, but I just let that, you know, that thought pass quickly, and I keep marching forward. Okay, so it is the next day. I know this video is literally taking me days to finish, but we're gonna build the shelf finally today, which I'm really happy about. And yeah, so it's gonna definitely dirty my floor again because of all the wall dust, but we got this.
¿Ah? ¿Viste?
Está bien. Thank you.
Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say.
I basically finished cleaning my room. Let me show you guys around. So of course we have my bed. I've showed you guys this multiple times. I definitely wanted to go with more of kind of like a astrological theme for my nightstand. As for my drawer, as you could tell, I pretty much left everything the same, except I did organize a few things in the middle. So I decided to put my perfume here because I just feel like it looks prettier. And of course I have my makeup brushes, my glasses and stuff. I put them over here. And guys, this is my favorite part, my favorite addition to my dresser. So I ended up finding these beautiful trays at the thrift store, and apparently they're supposed to be like for food, but I actually just used them for my jewelry and stuff, and I think it's a gorgeous addition for my jewelry and some cute aesthetic pieces. Here I have my makeup and skincare shelf, and pretty much everything stayed the same except for my skincare. I decided to use one of these trays that I got to put some more additional skincare because I have way too many. And then we have my favorite new addition to my room, which is my shelf. I am so excited for this shelf because now I can actually put my books somewhere without, you know, just shoving them randomly somewhere. So I pretty much just sticked all of my manifesting books, as well as the Shadow and Bone series, and, you know, my affirmation journals and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty content with how that turned out. I am definitely feeling so much better. It's been a few days since I was having my very mentally blah days, my very bad days. So I'm feeling so much refreshed, especially after reorganizing and cleaning my room, and of course just focusing on myself and my mental and physical health. And I've been really focusing a lot as well on my hobbies and my content creation, and I'm just really looking forward to better days. If you guys are enjoying these type of contents that I've been making recently, please give it a like and comment. Liking and watching and commenting on my videos really means a lot to me. That way I know you guys are enjoying my content. And of course, don't forget to hit the notification button so you guys are notified whenever I upload a video. And go check me out on TikTok and Instagram. I have a lot of new followers on TikTok, so if you guys are following me here on YouTube, hey. But yeah, I really appreciate all the love and support that you guys give me. And of course, take care of your health, diverse beauties, and I will see you next time. Bye!